Alright, so I got the little Danger Ranger running here. Cold start. It was 10 degrees last night. Let's try the parts fan. It's a 99 GMC Safari 4.3 Vortec. Haven't been started. I at least ran for a while, a couple days. Let's unlock it. Alright. Now I'm harvesting the motor out of this thing, but it ain't all the way ready to come out, so why not do close? You don't see many of these vans anymore, so there's the 4.3 jammed in there. Some wires in the way. Put the key in. Turn it. Let's turn this off. Let's fire her up. Ready? Woohoo! Let's see. She's cold. Oil pressure. She's charging. She's empty. Running away. Good old Chevrolet. Alright, let's go see what the exhaust looks like. American racing rims. Cool. Well, you can depend on your Chevrolet.